Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 9. We will explain, we will discuss about counting sort. Before we go to material, let let we introduce ourselves. My name is Rafi Irfan Lubis.
My name is Ahmad Gazirian Badar.
My name is Alex Kresna Widiana.
Next. Next lead.
Udah.
Okay. Definition of algorithm. A sequence in several logical and systematic stage in order to solve a particular problem. Programming algorithms are steps written sequentially to solve computer programming problems. In simple programming, the algorithm is the first step that must be written before writing the program. Characteristic of algorithm include input specified, output specified, unambiguity, effectiveness, finiteness, and language independent. Next. Next lead. Okay. Why algorithm need in programming? Because if we solve the problem carelessly without the right step or algorithm, then it is certain that the problem will fall apart because it is not arranged neatly. Meaning of structure data. Structure data is the data which come from to a data model, has a well-defined structure, follows a consistent order, and can be easily accessed and used by a person or a computer program. Structure data is usually stored in well-defined schemas such as database. Next. Next lead. Okay, advantage and disadvantage of algorithm. Advantage of algorithm include the counting sort. Counting sort. Next, definition of counting sort. Counting sort is a sorting technique by counting the number of occurrence of each data in the array. In the algorithm, we have to create a container array to store the number occurrence of data where the size of the array must be a number of range that can be input by the users. Okay, advantage and disadvantage of counting sort. Advantage of counting sort include counting sort generally perform faster than all comparison-based sorting algorithms, such as merge sort and quick sort, if the range of input is on the order of the number of input. Counting sort is easy to code, and disadvantage of counting sort include counting sort doesn't work on decimal values, and counting sort is inefficient if the range of the value to be stored in very large.
Analysis of counting sort. Counting sort performs sorting without perform comparison between data. The condition for this sorting to be carried out are knowing the range of data values. Data which will be sorted must also be an integer. And this is the example of implementation counting sort in C++. In the last loop, we've got the number of occurrences of each number. We just need to make a loop to check whether the array for each value is 0. If not, then print the array data number. The output from counting sort is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. And this is the coding of counting sort on C++. And this is the output of the counting sort. This coding.
So the conclusion algorithm is a sequence in several logical and systematic stages in order to solve a particular problem. Some experts argue that the algorithm is a series of steps that must be followed in an operation or calculation in solving other problems, especially computers. Programming algorithms are steps written sequentially to solve computer programming problems. Counting sort is a sorting technique by counting the number of occurrences of each data in the array. In this algorithm, we have to create a container array to store the number of occurrences of data, where the size of the array must be a number of ranges that can be input by the user. One of the advantages of counting sort is easy to code, and the disadvantage of counting sort is counting sort doesn't work on decimal values. And our suggestion as writer is that we must always be consistent in learning so that we can compete in the era of globalization, which has begun to rely on technology in our daily lives. Likewise, in studying many kinds of algorithms, so that we as young people have the skill to use computer properly. Thank you so much for your attention. May all those we have shared have the beneficial for all of us. Thank you.